The Farberware 4-piece reversible bamboo cutting and charcuterie board set is a versatile and stylish addition to any kitchen. This set includes 4 different sized boards, giving you the flexibility to prepare meals with ease while also serving as an elegant backdrop for charcuterie presentations. Each board is made from durable, eco-friendly bamboo, a material known for its strength and resistance to knife marks. Bamboo is also naturally moisture-resistant, helping to prevent warping and cracking over time. The reversible design means you get double the use out of each board. One side can be used for cutting meats and vegetables, while the other is perfect for serving cheese, fruits, or appetizers. The assorted sizes in this set make meal prep effortless. The largest board is ideal for cutting large meats or creating a full charcuterie spread, while the smaller boards are perfect for quick chopping or serving snacks. Each board is lightweight yet sturdy, making them easy to handle and store. Not only are these boards functional, but they also add a touch of elegance to any kitchen. The natural bamboo grain gives them a sleek, modern look, making them a great choice for both meal prep and presentation. Cleaning is simple. Just hand wash with warm water and mild soap, then air dry to maintain their quality. With proper care, these boards will be a long-lasting staple in your kitchen. If you're looking for a high-quality, multi-purpose cutting board set, the Farberware 4-piece reversible bamboo cutting and charcuterie board set is a great option. Check out the link in the description below to get yours today.